Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice container assembly in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice container assembly. This ice container assembly is located in the freezer compartment right underneath of the ice maker. It stores and dispenses ice cubes. The most common reasons to replace the ice container assembly are if the ice is no longer dispensing because the crusher mechanism is broken, or if the auger is corroded and is leaving rust spots on the ice cubes. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the ice container, we need to slightly lift it up, and then we can pull it straight out. Just to be on the safe side, while we have the ice container out, lift up on this arm and turn off the ice maker so it would not drop the ice cubes onto the produce inside. This is the old ice container assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new ice container in, make sure that this coupling at the back of the ice container will interlock with the yoke at the back over there. So you see that position? So we're going to turn this approximately this way, so it will go right in between. And now we're going to install it. I'm going to place it on the rails here, on the support, and slide it in. Slightly lift it up and put it down. Next, I'm going to open the door, squeeze my arm in, and place the arm of the ice maker down. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.